Breakfast on the Griddle, sponsored by Weber. This is a Mother's Day breakfast, so happy Mother's Day. And make sure you go check this recipe out so you can make it for the mother in your life. So today we are making French toast, and we have our bread that's been sitting out all night. And what this does, it allows the bread to get stale so that it absorbs more of that French toast batter that you're gonna make. So to start our batter, we're gonna go with some eggs. I'm using 4 eggs here. And we need about 2 cups of milk. Because this cooking is all about love. And I'm hitting this with some pumpkin pie spice. You could use this cinnamon if you want. Splash of vanilla. Mixy. So we forgot the sugar, we just added that in. And then we're gonna get that dissolved in there. And then we're ready to make our French toast. I prefer to cook on medium heat, and we're not using all the bread. Wow. Woo, boy. All right. So this is how I clean the griddle. Doesn't matter if I did burgers, if I did quesadillas, if I did just some bacon. Every time, this is how I do it. Some water to help anything that's baked on to release. Right, and then we'll go one more time. I've had this griddle over a year, and this is how I clean it every time. And every time I open it, it's ready to use. And I just remove the excess water and whatever else. All right, you guys see that? Now I turn the griddle off. All right, just a little bit of oil. And I just flip that paper towel over right here, and we just spread that out. Spread that out evenly. You don't need any puddles on there. Holy bitches.
Hey, language.
Pardon. It's hot. Some of that oil just kind of like. There we go.
Get that spot right there.
There we go, there we go. And the griddle is clean, ready for use next time. So this is the end of the breakfast. You guys saw we did the bacon first, then we did the French toast, and then we threw some eggs on. Thank y'all for watching, and make sure you guys stay tuned for more from Cooking with Kunchi. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there.